Yo, what is going on, guys? Today in this video, I'm coming at you with a Toro Recycler 22 190cc with the Briggs & Stratton guaranteed to start my butt. Well, this carburetor is absolutely it's been sitting in garbage for forever, so we bought a whole new one. I tried cleaning it, it worked, but it starts on second, third pull. It's still Yankee, so we're just gonna install a new one. So let's get right on into it. For this install, you're gonna need a ratchet set, or a socket set that is, or either or whatever. Flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, needle nose pliers, and the carburetor kit that you can buy on. I bought this one on Amazon for $15 for the specific motor we're working with. So make sure you get the correct one. That's it right there. Let's get it installed. For things first, you're going to want to take the Phillips head screwdriver, take off this screw and this panel right on in there, and I got them loosened for a speed right here. So take that panel on off. It's going to be right on in here. It's going to be the next one you're going to be taking off. Unscrew that. Once you do that, the air filter housing that is going to pop open. We'll pop that on out. We can clean this whether we have this on out. This is just a quick and easy clean. I think we're going to go and put that in some Dawn dish soap in the sink. Get that cleaned right on in there. Next thing is going to be taking out these three the bolts right on in here. The exact socket we're going to be working with is going to be an 8mm on in here. Just 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3. I already have them loosened once again for speed. That is just to show you. Take this one on off, one in there. This one on off, right on in here. And pop right on off. This is going to be a gotta get the crankcase breather. Take that on off. This is going to be one of the harder carburetors to take off and put on in terms of the lawnmower. Some of them are very straightforward, just slide it on and get it done. This one does have this right here, this right here. It looks a little scary from the outside, but once we do it, you're gonna be like, oh yeah, no problem. So let's get right on into it. The next step we're gonna get into is we're gonna use the needle nose pliers to disconnect the gas. Please drain the gas before you do this, unless you get gas over earlier. Wasn't me. But needle nose pliers, just take this, give it a little squeeze on in here. I got like the mini needle nose, so they don't work as good as regular needle nose. I'm just gonna use my hand. Sneak those on off, and maybe a little bit of gas will come on out. That's okay. I'm just dumping on the mower, it will evaporate. So, next thing we're gonna get into 1/4 more gas than I expected. 1/4 is going to be the next socket you want to get into. The next one you want to take off is going to be right here. Get that right on in there and start weaseling away at it. Turn that, weaseling away at that. I wish I had my small socket set, but I mean, I can do it with all the wrong tools. Hopefully your tools are better than mine, because I have all the wrong tools. Get this guy on out of there. Alrighty. Weasel that on off my finger. I'm gonna finish it, I'll come back. This is probably gonna be the part that I was once scared of back in the day. It probably scariest part for amateur lawnmower rebuilders, or you're just rebuilding your own. Pop this piece on out of there. You'll see it comes right on up. I'm gonna slide that out of this also black piece right here. And you're gonna see we're connected down on in there as well. I'm gonna be doing this one-handed. I'm gonna pull the carburetor out once I get these 2 bolts. You see these in there right here. Right here, I'll give you the correct size on the socket. We're gonna get those undone, and we'll be able to get this cable right on out of there. That gas burns. Whew. We're gonna be working with on here is gonna be 3/8. That right on in there. Start taking these 2 off, little by little each way. Little on one, sneak in the other one. A little bit more. Just keep working on it. I'll come back to you when this is off. Now that we have these 2 bolts on out of here, see if I can finish this one off with my finger. I guess I can't. Now that I just got these 2 bolts out of here, I'm going to remove the second one. You can once again see that. You're just going to want to twist this. I'm going to try to do this one-handed, which that's kind of scary for me. Just weaseling out of here. A lot easier if you had 2 hands. But you can see we got that connected. You don't want that going in there. grumpo. Let's get this rebuilt. Or not rebuilt, actually just put a brand new one on. Old carburetor right here. Funko, Junko, Bunko, Bunko, Bunko. Brand new, out of the box carburetor. Very, 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 very nice. I like that. Okay, so I don't know why the one that I bought didn't come with a gasket for the inside part. I don't think they normally have this gasket in there to begin with. I just rebuilt a bunch of mowers that don't have this. So honestly, you might be safe not even having a gasket in there. I'm just gonna put the one that this mower came with back on there because it is reusable. I'm just gonna put that actually right on in there, and we're gonna go start reassembling this. This is going to be incredibly hard to film, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to be using the old gasket. It still has enough in it that it's going to work. I don't think you need a gasket here if your mower doesn't have one. Probably more correct than the one that probably works. So, it didn't have one to begin with. Don't worry about it. If your kit doesn't come with it, whatever. So, carburetor right in here. You're going to want to feed this guy into this guy. You see here? This is going to be hard to film. I'm going to try to shoot all the shots for you, get all the angles. Sneak that guy right on in there. Boom, he's in, okay? Get this crap out of there. Goodbye, crap. Put that in my lawnmower engine. Okay. Get that guy right on in there. You got that guy weasel in there. Just hold it with your hands and stick the bolts back into the two holes right on in there. It's impossible to film with using one hand, or actually put that in while holding the camera, so I just put those on in. Let's get these tightened using our socket. It should be the last socket you have on there, as it is the last thing that you did. Let's get these retightened. And once you got that retightened, you're just gonna wanna place this back in there, seat this on into the next step after those two bolts are tightened and you got that in there is just tighten this on down. Once again, it's going to be a 1/4 socket. Let's get that tightened down. And the gas line to the side, put that on in there. Use your whatever you wish. I'm going to use these boof needle nose. They're so baby. What is so baby? Just take this, put this right there. I'm going to hurt my hand doing it like this. You can do it, but yeah, put that right there to keep it snug. Again, you're at this point where it's probably a good idea to clean these before you put them back. Put it on dish soap and add some hot water. It'll be done real quick. And your kit's gonna come with a little gasket. It's gonna look just like this. You're gonna wanna line this up at the outside and then put this air filter assembly. And once you create a little sandwich, put your bolts back on, screw them back on in. Install your brand new air filter that came with your kit. And flat screwdriver. Screw that on in. Phillips head screwdriver to put this piece on in. And we are complete. Last step is put some gas in. Let's go try it on out. The only thing I could say to you is put fresh gas in it. Don't use the same gas you gummed it up with. And I don't care if it's fresh from the can. If this has been sitting in your garage for a few months, it's old. This is fresh. Your kit also comes with a brand new spark plug. Go weasel him on in there. Tighten him on up with the socket. And I just cleaned up the mower because there's a new carb on it. Looks phenomenal. Now the moment of truth. First pull start. Another job well done. Brand new carb on a Toro 22-inch recycler with the 190cc engine. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.